In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to delete categories in Outlook. If you've built up a long list of labels and colors you no longer use, streamlining those categories can make your inbox and calendar feel much more organized. We'll do this in Outlook on the web, keeping things simple and clear. Start by opening your browser and heading to your preferred search engine. In the search bar, type Outlook, then select the official Outlook website from the results. This takes you to your Outlook mailbox. If you're not already there, give the page a second to load your inbox. Once your mailbox is open, look to the top right of the screen for the gear icon. That's the Settings button. Click it to open the Settings pane. This is where Outlook groups all the options that control how your mail looks and behaves, including your categories. In the Settings pane, select Account. This opens a set of options related to how your account and its features are managed. From there, choose Categories. You'll see a list of your existing categories, often with their associated colors. This page is your hub for cleaning up labels you don't use anymore. To remove a category, locate it in the list and click the trash bin icon next to its name. Outlook may ask you to confirm that you want to delete it. Confirm, and that category will be removed from your account. If you're wondering what happens to emails or events that had that category, don't worry. Those items stay right where they are. They simply lose that label, which is exactly what you want when tidying up. A few practical tips as you go. If the delete icon looks disabled, or you can't remove a particular category, it might be controlled by your organization's policies, or it could be a protected label in your environment. In many cases, though, you can delete any category you've created. If you're unsure about removing something you occasionally use, consider whether a rename would serve you better than a delete. And if you use Outlook on multiple devices, keep in mind that category changes in the web app typically sync to the same account across apps. That's all there is to it. You searched for Outlook, opened the site, clicked the gear icon, went into Account, opened Categories, and used the trash bin to delete the ones you no longer need. With a few clicks, you've reduced clutter and made your labels more meaningful. Thanks for watching, and enjoy your cleaner Outlook experience.